fun in downtown Disney. We're celebrating summer all day long with music, dancing, and bubbles right here on the lawn. We're bursting with excitement to celebrate with you. So, float on over for some bubbly fun in the sun. Thanks for popping by. Join us later for more bubbly fun in the sun. Or stay and dance with us to more summer tunes. See you soon.
I like the idea of staying and dancing. How about you? Hello, Disneyland. How we doing today? All right, we got to do something right off the bat. We are celebrating summer out here all summer long, and today is the first day. So when I say, what are we celebrating, you guys yell back, summer. Are you ready? What are we celebrating? One more time, what are we celebrating? I like it. Hi, everybody, my name is DJ Dave, and I'll be here in between all the bubble shows today. Who's going to celebrate with me right here? Come on up, let's get dancing. Oh, the biggest dance party at Disneyland is happening right here at downtown. Look at you guys. Are you happy that it's summer? No school, I mean, no homework. And you're at Disneyland. Could it be better? I don't think so. How we doing out here? Everybody hanging out, having a good time? You guys ready to celebrate summer out here? You're welcome to join us if you like. We're all friends out here. Let's do it.